Hello Cindy's Delicious Squad. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I prepared my delicious reddish stew. Okay, firstly, I wash my meats, I wash my fish, and I pour them into a different bowl. I poured my meat into a pot, I added my spices, and I covered to let it cook for some minutes. Okay, while that was cooking, I went ahead to blend my onion, pepper, ginger, and garlic. Okay, after some minutes, I went back to the pot and added the blended ginger, garlic into the boiling meat. And I covered to let it cook again. Here's my fish. As you can see, the fish is looking beautiful. Also went ahead and added to the boiled meat. Then I seasoned the fish with burning Maggi. Then I covered to let it cook again. Okay, now I went ahead to wash my tomatoes, my pepper, onion that we'll be using for the stew. Okay, after I washed everything clean, I went ahead to blend. After blending these tomatoes you're seeing, I also went ahead to steam. I steamed the tomatoes dry. Here's my fried meat. My meat is done. I went ahead to fry it, as that was the fried meat. Okay, here I added the onion, sliced onion into my oil. I added these sachet tomatoes into the oil. I like to fry very well. Here's my steamed tomatoes that I added to it, and then stir properly. So you can see the stew is already coming up. The process is getting. I added my salt. What I have in this plate is red spicy tea, curry powder, and some curry. I went ahead and added it to my stew. Then I stir very well and I cover to let it cook for some minutes. After some minutes, I introduce my fried chicken and my fried fish to the stew. Then I stir properly and I cover to let it cook again for some minutes. As you can see, our stew is already giving 19/100. It's coming out. I will not forget my water now, my meat stock. And I added my meat stock water to the stew. This is the final stage, guys. In 2 minutes, our stew will be ready. And I stir properly and I cover to let it cook again. After some minutes, I went back to the pot. As you can see, the stew is ready. Our stew is ready and is giving 100/100. Thanks for watching this video to the end. I love you guys. Please do wait to share, like, and comment. Bye.